So firstly, tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Dev Chauhan. I am in class 8th. I am 12-year-old. My school name is Shiv Charan Public School. My father name is Mr. Girja Shankar Chauhan and his occupation is receptionist in Sleepwell Foundation Skill Development Center. And my mother's name is Mrs. Ritu Singh and his occupation he is a housewife. I have an elder brother whose name is Shravan Chauhan and he is 11 years old and he is presently in 5th class. And my hobby is playing cricket and volleyball.
Yeah, playing cricket
And volleyball.
volleyball. Okay, very good. Tell me about your family background.
My family background. My father's name is Girja Shankar Chauhan and he is a receptionist in a Sleepwell Foundation Skill Development Center. And my mother occupation is my mother name is Mrs. Ritu Singh and his occupation he is a housewife and he is a graduate from MA.
Yeah. And how many members in your family?
There are 4 members in our family.
Okay. Tell me about your family members. You are telling me there are 4 members in your
Yeah.
family. Tell me about one by one.
First, my father. My father name is Mr. Girja Shankar Chauhan.
Yes.
And his occupation, he is a receptionist
Yeah.
in Sleepwell Foundation Skill Development Center.
Okay.
And my mother, second my mother name is Mrs. Ritu Singh and his occupation is a housewife and he is postgraduate from MA. And my elder brother name is Shravan Chauhan. He is presently studying 5th class
In which school is this?
in NR Public School.
Okay. How is your coordination or bonding with your younger brother or elder brother?
I am only a elder brother.
You are elder of your family.
Yeah.
Shravan Chauhan is your younger brother. Yeah. Am I right?
Yeah.
So tell me about the bonding or coordination with you with your brother.
Okay. First of all, he is always inspired me for cracking the RMS exam and for studies or some things, and he always teased me for not playing other like video games or many things.
Okay. So you want to join the RMS, yeah?
Yeah.
So what is the full form of RMS?
It's for Rashtriya Military School.
Rashtriya Military School. And what is the full form of CET?
CET, Common Entrance Test.
Common Entrance Test. Can you tell me what is the motto of RMS? Motto.
Good question.
What is the motto of RMS? Rashtriya Military School.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. So why do you want to join the RMS, Dev?
Because sir, my dream is I become like my grandfather and late General Mr. Bipin Rawat sir. So I serve my nations to like him and I also admired with him.
So you are inspired from General Bipin Rawat sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was his designation, General Bipin Rawat sir?
He is CDS, is the first CDS of India.
CDS, yeah. Tell me the full form of CDS.
Chief Defence Services.
Chief Defence of
Services.
Chief Defence Services.
Yeah.
Okay, Dev. Tell me rank structure of Air Force.
Sir, I know only a top
Yes.
rank of Air Force, who is Air Chief Marshal.
Air Chief Marshal. Currently, who is on this position or on this designation? Tell me about the name.
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, Dev, no problem. When Indian Army, Air Force and Navy Day is celebrated, tell me in chronology.
Chronology means, sir?
Chronology means sequence wise. In which order I am asking the question to you, you have to give the answer of those questions in the same order.
Okay.
You can't give the answer of the question first. Navy Day you can't tell me first. You have to give me the answer. Indian Army, when Indian Army is celebrated. Then the second question, Air Force and Navy.
Indian Army is celebrated on 15 January.
Yeah.
And Air Force Day is celebrated on just 5 December.
5 December. Are you sure?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
And Navy Day?
Navy Day is celebrated on maybe 12 December.
12 December.
Yeah.
Maybe. But you are not
Sure.
so sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so Indian Army is correct, but Air Force and Navy Day is wrong. Or out of these three forces, in which force you want to join?
Sir, I want to join Army.
Indian Army.
Yeah.
Indian Army. So which is the highest rank of the Indian Army there?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know
No.
which is the highest rank
Yeah.
of Indian Army?
Yeah.
Which is the bottom rank in commissioned officer of Indian Army?
Sir, soldier?
Soldier. I am talking about commissioned.
I don't
As a officer, as an officer.
As an officer.
Yeah.
Sir, maybe major?
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Yeah. Tell me about your weaknesses areas.
Sir, I don't know about my weakness.
There is no weakness in of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
And who inspire you to join RMS or Sainik school?
My father.
Your father. Okay, Dev. So the second last question is this:
Yeah.
if you will not select it, then what will you do?
Then, sir, I will try to go in NDA,
You will try to
crack the NDA exam.
NDA examination.
Yeah.
What is the full form of NDA examination?
National Defense Academy.
National Defense Academy. Okay. Who conduct this exam?
Sir, UPSC conduct this exam.
UPSC. So what is the full form of UPSC there?
Union Public Services Communication.
Service Commission.
Service Commission.
Well, okay. Why they will select you? What is so special in you?
Sir, can you repeat question?
Why they will select you? What is so special in you there?
Sir, because my some boldness, my courage, my personality,
Yeah.
and so many things.
So now we come on the next question. These were the basic questions which I asked you from your exam point of view. Now I am asking some question from the educational part, and which kind of lens you are using in your sunglasses.
Sir, I use a concave lens presently.
Concave lens.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which kind of defect you have?
Sir, I cannot see the far things.
Far things.
Yes.
You can see the nearby
Yeah.
object clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So Dev, how you come to know about this institute LWC Academy?
Sir, I know from the banner you put this banner outside the Kalandi Kunj gate, and my father will show him, and he told me or called me about yourself. Then I will contact with you. Then I will join the LWC Academy.
Join this academy.
Yeah.
Before and after, what are the changes which you have seen or which you observe in your personality?
First of all, sir, my math portion is so weak. Then the LWC's teachers were helping me to improve my maths, especially Asu sir, and also my science is not so good, and also Asu sir will help me to easily cover the syllabus of my social science and science.
Okay. So Dev, if I will remark you, then your body posture is also good. You have to work as well on your eye contact is as well good. Boldness, there is some lack in boldness. You have to work upon them. This is the analysis section. Your interview is over, but there are certain things which I am telling you. Confidence, if I will remark you, out of 100%, confidence is about I'll judge you on the 60-65%. You have to speak boldly, because they are not able to speak you, how they will judge you, है ना. आपके अंदर बर्निंग होनी चाहिए ताकि उनको दिखे कि हाँ इसमें कुछ है, ताकि हम इसको सेलेक्ट करें. बॉडी पोस्चर इज ऑल्सो गुड. इंग्लिश सिंटैक्स स्किल पे थोड़ा सा वर्क करना पड़ेगा आपको. आई कांटेक्ट अच्छा है, नो प्रॉब्लम. और बोल्डनेस पे हल्का सा करेजनेसनेस पे, यानी दो चीज़ों पे आपको अच्छे से वर्क करना पड़ेगा.